French toast is a classic breakfast dish that's easy to make and perfect for a lazy weekend morning. Ingredients list. 4 slices of bread. Thick sliced works best. 2 eggs. 1/4 cup of milk. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of sugar. A pinch of salt. Butter or oil for frying. Maple syrup, powdered sugar, or fresh fruit for topping. First, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of milk to the bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to the bowl. Finally, add a pinch of salt to the bowl. Whisk all of the ingredients together until they're well combined. Next, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Dip a slice of bread into the egg mixture, making sure it's coated on both sides. Place the bread into the heated pan. Cook the bread for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until it's golden brown. Once the French toast is cooked, place it on a plate. Drizzle some maple syrup on top, or add powdered sugar or fresh fruit for a delicious finish. Done. Perfect for breakfast or brunch.